Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, we had an interesting night overnight. About 2 o'clock in the morning Chicago time, a London hedge funds came in and bought all the grains and all the beans. Kind of strange because when you look at the composition of the market, hedge funds who are mostly long-only trading type funds have been getting out of the markets, especially the crude oil, because of the big losses in crude. But anyway, they came in and bought, and it's also strange that they bought this close to the end of this year. Other than that, yesterday we had a pretty good rally in the wheat market. There were rumors right at 9:30 in the morning that Russia was going to raise their intervention wheat price. Up until now, there's been talk that Russia was not going to slow their export market. This is kind of a flip-flop if they do that and basically raise their wheat price, which is the cheapest in the world, and it tends to raise all wheat prices in the world. Funds keep adding to their longs in corn. I think that they continue to believe corn is cheap and that 2015 will see lower acres in the U.S. And we'll also see maybe a trend yield, and that's going to bring the carryout down. On Monday, we get some really important data from the FSA. They continue to update how many acres farmers had enrolled in the farm program. There's been a big spread between what NASA is saying officially and what the FSA has been saying. And so that's a big day, especially for corn. If that spread continues to be wide, it could signal that the USDA could lower the corn crop on January 12th when they come out with the final numbers. On the bean side, we just got too much bean demand in the nearby. It continues to support prices. South American farmers not selling enough beans, and we have to have beans over what we think is fundamental value to keep beans into the pipeline. NOPA crush should come out Monday. It should be a record for the month of November. So we've got everything a little bit higher going into the weekend. Big report on Monday, even a bigger report on January 12th. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.